headed with my car. Hello, my name is Zach, and I like to backpack around the world. Good afternoon from Brownsville, Texas. I've had my car parked here for over a month. It's not as dirty as I thought it would be after a month of sitting here, but it could still use a wash, so I'll take care of that in a few minutes. Anyways, more importantly, let's make sure my car starts, because that's going to be the main problem, because it hasn't been started in over a month. All right, let's see. These new cars, man, these new cars come through. All right, I will be staying here in Brownsville for one more night because, I don't know, there's a storm brewing around the Houston area, so there's no point in getting ahead of myself. I will be in Houston tomorrow, so I've never been to Houston, so I have no idea what to expect, so we'll see. Anyways, I don't know if I'm just going to be staying in the Brownsville area as far as this video, or if I'm going to be traveling elsewhere, like South Padre Island. Like I said, I'm interested in going, but the hotels were just too expensive for me to where it made more sense just to stay here in Brownsville, even though with gas, it probably would have made more sense to just stay in South Padre Island. But anyways, enough rambling. Let's see what today brings me. I am inviting you to come backpacking, even though I'm driving, with me. Vamonos! Let's go. A windy day here in Brownsville, Texas. Anyways, I got a car wash and my car magnets are back on my car, proudly advertising my YouTube channel. If I don't promote myself, then nobody will. It has to start somewhere. It has to start sometime. It has to start someplace. And I believe these car magnets are where it's going to help. My YouTube link, QR code, it works. I made sure. Anyways, I'm hungry, so I'm going to eat over here at Wing Barn. I am inviting you to join me. I haven't said this in a while, but shall you? I love Adam the Woo, I'm sorry. I might need to put a mask on first, though. Okay, vámonos. So I got chicken tenders because they had a deal where they doubled your order for whatever you got. So if you got 3 chicken tenders, they would give you 3. And I also got some fries, as well as the darker sauce was a chipotle sauce of some sort. And then I got buffalo sauce. Well, I stopped back by my hotel to drop off a few things, as well as to change clothes, because like I said earlier in the video, I guess let's do it. Let's go to South Padre Island. I've never been. I'm curious how it is. I think it's spring break, so I'm sure there's a lot of spring breakers around. So yeah, let's go. Vámonos. I am now going over this 2.5-mile bridge that connects Port Isabel, Texas to, of course, South Padre Island, Texas. And I was kind of curious how many people actually live on South Padre Island. And I looked it up, and the answer to that is just shy of 3,000 people. However, they get over 4 million people in tourism. So it's safe to say that about 90% of South Padre Island's economy comes from tourism. I am here on South Padre Island here in Texas. This is my first time here. If you've ever been to South Padre Island, let me know in the comments what some of your favorite things to do, to see, and where your favorite places to eat and drink on this island are. So yeah, anyways, let's go ahead and keep cruising and see what I get into tonight here on South Padre Island. Vámonos! Also, it is very windy here in Texas today, in Brownsville and in South Padre Island, or on South Padre Island. Since you're on an island, you say on an island, don't say you're in an island. All right, vámonos. Let's stop by BurgerFi. I haven't had it in a while. I've already started eating, but oh well. Man, that is good. I haven't had BurgerFi in a long time. I think the last time I had it was in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, about 7 years ago. Provincial. I wish I was here with Rose, but she's in Mexico. And I'm not exactly wearing beach attire. I hope you can hear me all right. By the way, I'm using another microphone. I'm using the GoPro Hero 8 Media Mod microphone, which this isn't a permanent fix for my audio because the wind isn't so good on the Media Mod. I think the built-in internal mic on the GoPro Hero 8 sounds better in wind conditions than the Media Mod, but I don't know. The audio is more clearer on the Media Mod, I'll give it that, but the wind, if you're in windy situations, you might as well just use your internal GoPro Hero 8 audio. Anyways, I'm on the beach. I'm definitely going to need a shoe shiner. But I'm in the United States of America, so those are kind of hard to come by, especially as cheap as they are in Mexico. Welcome to South Padre Island here in Texas. These birds are having a conversation. What? Go back to Mexico? I'd love to, but I mean, I just came back from there. I need to make a little bit more money, but whenever I come up with the financial side to return to Mexico, yeah, it's definitely going to happen because I miss Rose and I wish she was here, but she doesn't have a passport or a visa, so that's what I'm dealing with now. I don't mind going to Mexico. I enjoy it. Alright. Enjoy y'all's time at the beach. Adios, birds. And now I'm with Rose at the beach.
Oh, nice. This is so beautiful.
Can y'all see Rose? Now Rose is at the beach in Texas via FaceTime or WhatsApp. I'm not sure if y'all can see her or not, but there she is. I just watched the footage that I took here at the beach real quick, and the audio actually held up quite nicely. You can decipher my voice. Of course it's windy, I'm at a beach, for God's sake. Of course it's going to be windy, but the fact that the media mod is prioritizing my voice over the wind and you can still understand what I'm saying, that is awesome. With the GoPro Hero 8 built-in audio, the internal audio, that's not quite the case at times. So, and one of the improvements that I wanted to make on upcoming videos of mine was to improve the audio, because the audio was lacking. I wish I had better audio in the barbershop videos and in the Cabo videos, but no. But I think with the media mod, it might help. Let me know what you think in the comments, because I'm really after good, clean, crisp audio. Yes, I might be in extreme conditions like a windy beach, but that's okay as long as my voice is prioritized and you can understand me and I'm audible. I'm happy with it. So let me know what you think in the comments. So anyways, I'm going to enjoy the rest of my time here on South Padre Island here in Texas. This is my first time here, like I said before. There's loud copyrighted music surrounding me. Cheers from South Padre Island, Texas.
So crazy right now.
Salute. One of my followers on Instagram recommended that I come here to Clayton's Beach Bar, so here I am. Salute. Well, it was cool to come check out South Padre Island. I've never been here before, so I wanted to check it out at least once. Anywhere that I haven't been, I'm curious to check it out at least once. And would I ever come back here? The answer The answer is yes, I would. Probably more earlier in the day, especially during spring break, because I feel most of the festivities are more worth attending and checking out during the day when it's warm. Once the sun starts going down, it starts getting a little chilly here in South Padre Island, or on South Padre Island. So anyways, I'm going to start making my way back to Brownsville. I'm currently walking to my car now. I parked at one of these beach ports or whatever. But before I make it back to Brownsville, I do want to stop in one town, maybe stop for a beer. I get sober pretty quick. One beer isn't going to do much to me. In about an hour, it'll be all out of me and I'll be good. I want to stop in the town you get to before crossing over the bridge to South Padre Island. I want to go to Port Isabel. That's where I want to go, so that's where I'm going to go.